All right, I'm at the gates of Redmond, and this is for asphalt, seal coat, crack fill, and striping. Been out here before at this property. Here's the front entrance on this map. Comes back to the southeast corner, and we're going to start with the asphalt in the southeast corner. All the striping, seal coat, and crack fill, I'll have that saved to Google Drive, and I'll probably make the notes in Workman's. But we're going to start back here on these asphalt repairs, and I will also provide this map for you. So you see a little patch right there to the left. That's a little 4x4 patch. That's right here at the back of the property, and that's at Building I. Building I here at the back corner near the trash enclosure. 4x4 right there. Cut that out, replace 3-inch depth. Then we make our way down here, and we've got a couple different measurements. We've got this section right here where there's some alligator cracking. We're going to go just above it, about a foot, and do a 22 by 42, which takes you down to this main drive aisle. So you got trash enclosure here in this area right here. So we need to probably assume 4 inches in here. Okay, 4 inches to rip out. We can put back 3 inches though. Okay, so we put back 3 inches. There's that section. And then we have from this curb here, straight across over to this stall, which is stall 138 near Building M. We're going to go imaginary line straight across and do this whole drive aisle until you get to the speed bump. And that measurement is 128 by 22. We've got sewer main, or sewer lid right here. You've got catch basin to the left. That will need to reset. A couple different potholes up the middle here. And then this speed bump. It's a 22 foot by 2 foot speed bump that we need to rip out and replace. The measurement ends just past this crack in the asphalt. So we'll be right about where that rock is, and then going right about to there. Put you right past it, right past that crack. So at building P back there, I thought I had this thing on. I guess I didn't. But at building P, I've got a 122 foot by, let's see, what did that come to? 122 foot by 5 foot patch. So at building P, install 104, there's an existing patch there. We're going to cut out this trench, redo it, but make the patch wider, and go all the way down to the next building through that patch, and then make our way until we get to stall number 94 here at the next building. Stall number 94. We'll stop at that patch, and we'll cut all this out, and we'll line right up with that existing patch and take all this out. And then when we get to here, we're going to shift and actually continue with this cut and take out this next section. And this next section is a 72 by 5. So we're going to take out this trench again. Okay, we're going to take this out, but as we're going down the line here, we're going to go just outside of this patch here because we've got some damage on the outside of this trench. It's sinking, and we need to go all the way to the speed bump. So it's actually a 75 by 6, 75 by 6, going all the way through here and then connecting to that other patch that we just did. By the way, we're cutting through this existing patch because it's starting to fail. Okay, now we're going to make our way towards the front. Okay, now I'm at the front of the property where there's a 21 by 58 and an 8 by 8 patch. The 21 by 58 starts right here near the entrance, just past this carport, and where it says no parking, where the P is, or actually no, where the O is on there, where the O is, and there's a patch. You come out 21 feet. Come out 21 feet from the curb, get all this cracked, failed asphalt down through this catch basin into this existing patch that's down here, which lines up right in front of the sidewalk. 21 by 58. And then the 8 by 8, we're gonna rip out this asphalt, rip out the tree root, and then patch that back in. Gradually make it go down. We already know that water flow is going towards those rocks right there, but there's not a whole lot we can do about it except for just try to lower this little section in the front so the water flows out. Okay, so as much as possible, we'll try to get water flow to continue coming out to the curb and gutter. Okay, now we're gonna make our way up through the entrance to the right. Oh, and I got a correction here on that 58 feet. I said you started at the O. It's on the other side, about 2 feet past this patch at the entrance. That's where it starts. 21 feet over and 58 feet down. All right, so let's make our way up here around the corner of the entrance. They've got a spring, somehow natural spring underneath the asphalt, causing all this water to drain. So I said that we would at stall 69 and 70. Okay, this is right here at the entrance. Got a trench right here. We're gonna cut this out, replace that where the alligator cracking is, and that's an 8 by 20. 8 by 20 in this section. And then out in front of this, in the trash enclosure right in the middle, we've got some alligator cracking. That is a 10 by 15. So we'll go 10 feet to capture this alligator cracking and 15 feet up. Take care of this. And then up here, we were talking about a trench drain, and I said, why don't we cut it out when this stops draining in August or so. August or September, I mean, that's kind of the time frame. Cut out this whole area in here, because that's where the water's coming out, right on this corner. That measurement is a 9 by 18. So we'll go just past the catch basin here, like maybe a foot. And we'll come out like a foot from the catch basin here, so 8 feet this way, and then 7 feet this direction. So we get that 9 feet here. So a foot here, and then plus 8 actually. So a foot there, and then 8 feet this way, and go 18 feet up. Remove and replace. All right. 3-inch depth, by the way, on this is what we're thinking. So we rip that out. Hopefully the water is stopped and we can slope everything to the catch basin so that it's not going past the catch basin and draining down the hill. Right now it's just not, the grade isn't set up so that it's all flowing into the catch basin. Okay, so I've got one more area here. So I'm walking up the hill here to my left. We're gonna go to the top here. We're gonna look at this patch, which is a 16 by 8. And then we're gonna go around the corner and look at a 22 by 7 and a 4 by 4. Okay, so I'm at the very top, west side of the property, making my way down past the shop. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalls in. These 2 stalls, the 5th and 6th stall, 16 by 8. I'm gonna cut this out, 16 by 8. There's tree root damage there, right in front of the wheel stop. It actually carries into this stall a little bit, so I'll have to do kind of into this 3rd stall. All right, let's give you a better idea of what it looks like here. So right about to here and over, 16 by 8. I'm gonna head down the hill, go around the corner to the left. We're gonna look at that 22 by 7 and 4 by 4. Okay, so now I'm around the corner. As soon as you come in, stall 175, the 22 by 7 needs to be cut out, replaced, and then the catch basin right there. Catch basin, I said, is a 4 by 4, evenly around the catch basin. And that's it. I've got a couple other bidders out here doing this, but Tony's shooting for me to get the job. Hopefully we will. With a good aerial map and everything marked out and looking professional, we have a good shot. Thanks.